Hello everyone, welcome to Carolina Girl Wreaths. It's Teresa and happy Monday. Everybody, subscribers, welcome back. Newbies, I hope that you're joining me. Thank you, I appreciate it so much. Today, I'm going to be making look at my notes guys, you know me, a Halloween fun curly bundle mesh wreath. So I'm going to throw a little Halloween in here today. And this is a really simple method, great for beginners. I think my very first wreath was probably this method. And a lot of you I know has probably done it or made one. But if you haven't, if there's that one person that hasn't, then here's what you're going to need, and we'll get started in a little bit. Okay, first of all, my faithful 14-inch Dollar Tree wreath frame. And as anybody notice something wrong with her today? She has no pipe cleaners on her. Because this one's one that you don't have to put them on ahead of time. So that's really neat. Okay? And then we're going to need, I chose 3 colors of mesh. Okay, I got a black, orange, and a purple. The 6-inch mesh. I thought they looked pretty together. And actually this is what it is from the Dollar Tree. Just 6-inch mesh. Great for these little kinds of, this method here. Okay, and you're going to need pipe cleaners. I got me some purple sparkly. So you're going to actually cut these in half. Cut these in half. And then, let's see, my ribbon. I'm not going to, it don't take a whole lot of ribbon, it's totally up to you. But I chose these two. Purple and the stripe, the black in it. It goes with their mesh. And then, if you got a Bow Dabra, she comes in handy for this kind of wreath, and I'll show you why in a minute. If you don't, clips are just fine. Okay? So first of all, I just want to get a few things out of the way. Hello everyone. I hope everyone's doing fine. And I've got to say something to you guys. You know that. But I really hope everybody's doing fine. Monday is my giveaway. Not today, but next Monday. We'll find out who wins. And I'm excited about it. And if you're new, please I ask that you be a subscriber. I have a giveaway every month, and I try to make it a nice one because I appreciate everyone that views me and subscribes to me, and so I appreciate it so much. All you got to do is just be a subscriber and leave in the comment you would like to be entered in my monthly giveaway, whatever month it may be. But Monday's the last day. I'll have my drawing next Monday, so anybody new today, if you subscribe and get your name in, you'll be in there for Monday. So I just want to say that, and let's get started, okay? So this is a bundle called a bundle wreath method. Really, really simple. And what we're going to do here, there's 6 sections in the frame. Everybody knows that. Well, the 14-inch one's here. Okay, and I'm going to actually put 5 bundles in each section. So I'll give you the total count in a little bit. So for my bundles, you can do any colors now, okay, you want. And I've chose these 3. But what I'm going to do, and you can actually do 3 curls in a bundle or 4 curls. As many as you like. But I'm going to do 4. And I've only got 3 mesh, but that's because I'm going to do 2 black, my purple and orange. So all we're going to do here, with my cut pipe cleaners, and my Bow Dabra helps, okay, I'm going to put down a black. Everybody knows, just curl your little piece up. How to curl, yeah. Just curl it up. Now, one thing about this method too, it does the fraying. You're going to have some fraying. But when it all comes together, you ain't even going to see all that fraying. So just curl it up and all. And now if you don't have a Bow Dabra, just clip it and lay it aside. But I stick mine in here because it sure does help me. That's why I do like the Bow Dabra. It comes in handy for stuff like this. Then I'm going to go to my purple piece. Lay a purple piece in. This mesh, she does love to stick. Okay, roll it up there. I'm going to put her in. I can just extra across. And like I say, guys, if you don't have a bow dabber, just clip each piece individually, okay? See any strands, you can cut them off. But then I'm going to put in my orange. Put that the other way with her. And black will be on top. So I start black on the bottom, black on top. But see, it's your choice, however you want to put them. Mix and match them each time you make a bundle. It doesn't matter because it's all going to come out like, just, you know, put it like this. It's not going to be a boring wreath. So, okay, I'm going to put her on top. Now, I'm going to tell you this ahead of time before I forget. So, there's my bundle that I'm going to make to put in one section. Okay. I don't want to confuse nobody. I'm going to try to get 5 bundles in each section. So, that's going to be 30 bundles that you're going to need. Okay? And as far as the mesh, I have to figure that up in a little bit for you guys. I'm sorry. But what I'm getting at, since I have 5 bundles in a section, I'm going to put a ribbon, one pair of ribbons, with 5 being an odd number, a pair of ribbons is going to go on my 3rd bundle. Okay, does that kind of make sense? So I'm going to make sure for every section of bundles that I make, I at least have one with a pair of ribbons in it. So I'm putting my ribbon on here, pulling it out, and I'm going to take my pipe cleaners that I've got cut, wrap it around, and you can actually put ribbons in every one if you like. It's totally up to you. It's your wreath, like I've always said, and so it's whatever you want. Whatever you want is happy with. So give it a couple twists. So that's going to be my bundle when I start putting them on my wreath, the one with the ribbon on it. So there again, you got 6 sections, 5 bundles in a section, and I'm going to put a ribbon on every 3rd one out of the 5 in each section. Okay, so I just want to get that out of the way and lay it aside. Okay, so let's make another bundle. See how easy? And I know, I guarantee you, every one of you on here has probably made one of these. I just want to say too, guys, I missed you all. I hope someone's missed me. I hadn't done a tutorial in a while. Bad, ain't I? I mean, well, just been doing a lot with my grandkids the past few days, and then my husband was home some, and we had some things that had to be done, but I said, I got to get back on my channel. I'm going to lose some viewers, or people, if anybody does miss me. So I'm here today, and I'm glad to be here sharing this with you. Alrighty, so see how simple? We're just crisscrossing back and forth. Sorry, back and forth on the bow dabber. And like I say, if you just have clips, all you gotta do is clip them together, clip them individually, and then when you're ready to clip them together, just get them in your hand. And put your little half-cup pipe cleaner around it. Okay. About 2 times because it's going on the frame. Okay, so that's so simple. It's going to actually make a pretty good looking full wreath. So what you do then, you get your bundles. You can pre-make, the best thing about these 2 guys, you can pre-make these. I have a bunch already pre-made up, which I'm going to put on a little bit. And it's so easy. I pre-made them while watching my TV show or just sitting around the kitchen table. Just, you know, you can do this pre-made, and it's really a fast and easy way to do. So what you want to do now is just go into the 2 inner rings, the 2 inner ones, and you're just going to go on there and tie, put your pipe cleaners along each of the rings. Give it a good kind of twist. This is really similar to the bubble style, but you're doing bundles. And I always wait when I get a section made and go back and puff them all up. Okay? So, let's see. I've got one here ready I can go ahead and put in for you. Because I want to put my ribbon one in and show you. I'm going to do one section for you. How's that? Everybody okay with that? Alright. So, here's my one that I had done. Oh, and I'm sorry, I forgot to tell you. It's so, hey, I'm not, if I don't forget something, then you know something's wrong with me. Your mesh will all be cut. I'm sorry, guys. Your mesh will all be cut at, I've got mine all cut at 10 inches each, my mesh. My mesh, okay? For the bundles. I'm sorry about that. So now we're coming to the third bundle. That's the one I want to have my ribbon in. I'm just going to put it in here. And y'all can probably do this faster than me because even with glasses on, guys, I can't see sometimes. That's just the way it is, but okay. When we get them all done, I'll fix my ribbons, but I wanted to put it on the third bundle. That way it'll come out even in each section. Got two more here I had pre-made. I'm going to finish this section. Like I said, I'm using four curls in my bundles, but you can use 3. Or even, I've seen some people maybe even use 5, but 4 is all I can kind of handle. And I think it makes it full. And we're going to have some fran, but like I say too, at the end of it, when you get it all together, just go back and give it a haircut. Any place you see the strands sticking out, just give it a haircut. Okay? So there's our first section. See how full she already is? And colorful. I matched her today. That wasn't planned. So okay, so there's the first section. Okay, I'm going to do the next 5. Be right back. Okay, guys, here she is. See how cute and colorful she is? So I've got the ribbons in every third bundle. 6 sections, 5 bundles in each one. Gives you a total of 30, well, let me see, I have to do some theater in there. Total of 30, I believe, pieces of mesh. So I'll have that in my descriptions if anybody's interested in making this, because I write it down, I'll get it right for you. But there she is. And let me show you what I'm going to put in her. I chose this. I meant to show you earlier, but there again, I leave things out. Look at this little thing. I had her last year. Y'all may have seen her from your Dollar Tree. Got the little witchy here. And listen to this. Listen to this, guys. Let's see. Hold on. I got the... Come on now. Ain't she cute? So she has the button that you can turn on. She's activated. That's going on my wreath. So that's why she's called a fun Halloween wreath. Okay? And I'm sure they hadn't gotten none out yet at my Dollar Trees for fall yet. But I'm sure they have plenty more of these. I guarantee you can find one. And the little buckets was separate. But I'm going to put her on. And let's see, I've just got her attached to a pipe cleaner in the back. And I'm going to just find a place to feed her through my wreath like we would normally. I'm going to go up here between maybe 2 ribbons. And kind of put her in, try to find a couple of rings here to put her on. Just like you would your sign. Just put her where you want her. If you choose to find you something like this. She's probably going to dangle a little bit, but that's okay. But I thought she'd be a little fun wreath. be a great one for kids. Or just yourself. I mean, just that little cackling. I don't like witches, but, but anyway. So let me just show you, see how she looks here. Okay? So there we go. Ain't she cute? She got all the colors with the green. The green's not in the wreath, but she adds to it. So there she is. Now I'm going to put her on my door so you can see her really good. And this wreath is so, guys, it was so simple to make, especially with the bundles already pre-made and all. You can breeze through that thing. So that's what I like about it and all. Okay, so let me get her on the door and we're going to be done. Alrighty. So guys, there she is. What do you think? I've got her on my little piece of a door here. My husband made, bless his heart, he tries. But if you can't see it really good, I will have a picture, a good clear picture when I load it up. But as you can see, I got her in there, and I even added a few little bats, a little purple and black bat, Dollar Tree stuff. You know me, I add my decor. So there she all is, just a really simple, one of the simplest methods of a wreath. Even a young child could probably do it. And it's a fun wreath because she's a cackling witch on there. So, okay, so I just want to say thank you, as always, for joining me. I mean it, and please don't forget to hit subscribe and like my video, please. I appreciate it so much. And I've always said, if anyone's new and you don't like this video, I might make one sometime you like. I really appreciate it. Plus, I have the giveaway. So I really thank you all for joining me today and viewing me for this fun Halloween wreath. And just everybody, let me just leave you with this. Wherever you are today, whatever you're doing, live for the moment. Make it your best. There's always something to smile about. Okay, so thank you all. Till next time. Bye-bye.